Yeah, we're going back to California. I am so excited. So welcome to the pack and prep vlog. There's nothing I love more than like the excitement before a trip. Actually, that's a lie, because although I'm very excited for this trip, I'm also very stressed out. I have so much to do. I leave in 2 days. Well, less than 2 days. Today's Saturday, I leave on Monday. I quite literally just booked my flights like 30 minutes ago. So we have a lot to do before this trip, but to start off the little pack and prep vlog, I feel like this is kind of the tradition now. I went and got a little fall coffee from Dunkin'. So I got my usual Dunkin' order, which is just a medium iced coffee with almond milk and pumpkin. I got 2 pumps of pumpkin. Recently, I've been getting their almond spice coffee, which I really like, but today I wanted to switch it up and get just the pumpkin, so let's try it. Oh yeah, that is so good. It kind of tastes like a pumpkin pie. That is a 10 out of 10 Dunkin' coffee, which means it's gonna be a good day. So yes, I'm going back to California. I'm going to Disneyland to see everything at Halloween time. There's something just so special about Disneyland during Halloween time. I think it's my favorite. Like, out of every season and every park, Disneyland at Halloween time is just peak. I remember I went last year on a little solo trip, and it was one of my favorite trips I've ever done. It could have something to do with like the breeze in the air, which is something we don't have here in Orlando. I love that they have like Oogie Boogie over DCA, like little entrance, and then he just like talks to you. That is so special. However, on this trip, everything is not what it seems, because that's actually not the reason for my trip to California. I actually have a super secret reason as to why I am going to California, but of course I knew if I'm going out to California in October, might as well add in a few days at Disneyland. So the first part of my trip is going to be a little Disneyland Halloween trip. I'm going to vlog, I'm going to do all the TikToks. It's going to be like a normal Disneyland trip. The second part, I can't tell you what I'm doing. I know, that is so freaking annoying, but you're gonna find out literally so fast, especially by the time this video is posted. Like, I'm sure it'll probably be like days, and then you'll find out why I'm out there. All I can say is that when you see what I'm about to do, you're going to freak out. I'm already freaking out. I'm internally freaking out. It's quite literally, how do I say this without getting emotional? It's quite literally like the peak of my life. Not to be dramatic, this will be my peak. This is something I've dreamed about ever since like I was a kid. Okay, well, it's not that. I would say I have 2 things I've dreamed about ever since I was a kid. One is being on Disney Channel. That's my dream. That is my dream of all dreams. This thing is a very close second. So I'm very excited. I'm very excited to take you guys along with me for this magical little journey. I will probably be posting on my Instagram and TikTok first. So if you really are curious and don't want to wait for the YouTube video or the YouTube shorts, feel free to come follow me over there at EmilyNels8. But of course, I will be vlogging everything, and I think you guys are really gonna like this vlog, these next few vlogs. Now that you guys kind of know what's going on, let me look at my to-do list. Also, do you like my phone case? I have my little vampire teddy bear case from Casetify. I literally love it. So the first thing on the list was get a fall coffee, check. The second thing we need to do is go to Old Navy, aka my favorite store, aka my comfort store. I love it so much. This little shirt that I'm wearing, like, I look like a little toddler, lol. But my favorite thing, I mean, I've always kind of worn like a dress or overalls over a tee, but I feel like more so recently, I've been obsessed. I do get this outfit inspiration from Disney Channel, and that's something that I think has been really silly about growing up. For me, like, being an adult and like growing up is just like embracing everything I really loved as a kid. So that being said, all of the tees that I have are from Old Navy, and I love Old Navy. I have their tees in almost every color, and as I was kind of putting together outfits for Disneyland, I realized there's an outfit I want to do where it's kind of going to be like a Mickey Pumpkin inspired outfit, and so I want to layer overalls over a green tee, like a light green tee, and I don't have one, but Old Navy does. At least I think they do. So I want to go to Old Navy and look for, it's literally this exact tee, but in light green. Maybe take a little peek at what else they have. And then I also want to go to Target and just pick up some of like the toiletries and like the mini stuff. I also need to make a charm necklace. I feel like that's my staple. Last year it was friendship bracelets. This year it's charm necklaces. So I have an idea for like a Halloween charm necklace I want to make. I need to try on all of my outfits. We need to put together the outfits. I have ideas for everything, but I need to just like try everything on and like really solidify my outfits. So we have a lot to do, but first let's go to Old Navy. So I'm back home. Running errands was a success. I didn't get anything too crazy. I just got the 2 tees from Old Navy, a green and a black. And then I went to Target and I got a few toiletries, literally nothing exciting. As you guys saw, I got like Q-tips and cotton pads and micellar water and etc. So now it is time to make a little charm necklace. So this is the charm necklace I made for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. If you haven't seen that vlog yet, I dressed up as Jack Skellington. So of course I had to make a little charm necklace and I think it's so cute. I love the black and white. Like, I'm really proud of how that one turned out. So for Disneyland, I have a few different outfits I want to do. I was thinking about doing an Evil Queen look, a Sally look from Nightmare Before Christmas, a Mickey Pumpkin look. I also just kind of wanted to put together a few outfits like kind of like this that like are just very fall. So with that being said, I wanted to put together a little charm necklace that represented all of those outfits. So I had the idea of like just doing a bunch of different charms from like different Halloween movies and TV shows and stuff, and just doing one necklace with all of the different ones. So like for example, I have this little charm, it says the Haunted Mansion. I have this little charm, which is like the poison apple from Snow White. I have like a bunch of Nightmare Before Christmas little charms. Oh my gosh, look at this charm. It's Vampire Teddy Bear. He's so cute. And then I also thought like depending on my outfit, I could switch out the middle charm. So like if I'm doing an Evil Queen outfit, then I can have the Evil Queen in the center. But then the next day, if I'm doing like a Mickey Pumpkin look or something like that, then I could put like this little pumpkin in the center. I don't have a Mickey Pumpkin charm. I'm sure I could find one. I feel like I'm really good at finding the charms that I want, but I didn't think to get one. I'm gonna start crafting and then I'll show you guys what I come up with. Okay, here is the completed charm necklace. I think I like it. Oops, I need to flip these over. I think I like it, but I'm gonna bring some extra charms just in case. I feel like it'll look a lot better on. Maybe, I don't know. I think it's cool. I think it's definitely very Halloween, and that was my goal. Okay, it is officially time to put together the outfits. This is easily the most important part of any like trip preparation. So I went ahead and put together the first outfit. I think I'm gonna wear this like my first day. Fun fact about this outfit. Oh wait, where's my hat? So fun fact about this outfit is I actually put it together trying to recreate like an iconic Alex Russo outfit. So I have this hat and then I was gonna wear this top over, I think she wears a long sleeve purple, so I have a long sleeve purple shirt. But as I was like playing around with everything, I came up with this outfit and I fear I'm obsessed. I feel like a pumpkin in the best way. So my thought was actually to wear this outfit on my first day with the Mickey pumpkin ears. I don't know, I feel like it's giving pumpkin. Like I feel like a little fall pumpkin. And I kind of love it. So for my travel outfit, I was thinking about wearing this. I know it says Walt Disney World, but I just am obsessed with it. I feel like it's so fall. And I like that it's kind of more of like a subtle Disney crew neck. So I was thinking about wearing this with this little headband. Very fall, and then either with just like black shorts or leggings or pants or something like that. And also, by the way, I'm not sharing this on any other platform. Like, you guys are kind of getting an exclusive for this trip because one, I love you guys so much, and two, like, I guess you would have already seen it by this point, but the way I'm kind of like announcing this trip, like I have this idea and this vision for how I'm gonna go from Orlando to California. My idea is that I am so obsessed with Wizards of Waverly Place, which I am, and somehow I'm gonna do a spell and that's gonna take me to California. I just thought that would be really fun, kind of with the new show coming out and everything. Okay, so for my first day at Disneyland, I thought, what if I did an Evil Queen Disney bound? I feel like a lot of the times I don't usually Disney bound a specific character. I more so just like to dress up for the occasion. But I was on a walk the other day and this idea just randomly popped up in my head. I think because I was watching the new Snow White trailer, which I'm very excited for. Snow White actually was my favorite princess in high school. I feel like I've kind of had like a different era with each princess of them being my favorite, but in high school, Snow White was my favorite. So I thought, what if I did an Evil Queen Disney bound? I also feel like she's a character that I haven't really seen a lot of people dress up as. And then I probably would wear these boots. I literally love these boots so much. I wear them all the time. I don't know, like, to be honest, I think it's kind of fun. And then with my Halloween charm necklace, I'll put the Evil Queen in the center, or I could do the magic mirror in the center, either or. And then I found this bag on Amazon. Amazon surprisingly has a lot of good Disney stuff. And I'm pretty sure it's all like official Disney license. So I found this bag, okay? Look how cool this bag is. It's the Evil Queen, but it's also the old hag. Oh, that is so cool. Because I felt like to do the Evil Queen, I needed a bag to pull it all together. So, I don't know, I think that's really fun. And then I also thought about maybe tying like little purple bows on maybe on here or on the strap or something like that. But I kind of like it. I was like, I could do a Snow White Nuemo, but I think that's just kind of weird. You know what I mean? I think that's too much. Okay, by the way, everybody was commenting about my dark lip from Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party, which, first of all, thank you so much. And so now I'm thinking, what if I did a dark lip? Okay, I'm gonna try this on really fast. This is ColourPop in the shade Hitch a Ride. I just did a little bit just so we could kind of see. I fear we have to do the purple bold lip. Entering my villains era, I guess, but I literally used to wear a bold lip all the time, especially back in college, because for the dance classes I would go to, they would encourage us to wear stage makeup, and so on stage I would always wear like a red lipstick or something. So I would experiment with like different lip colors, and they would always be ColourPop or Kylie Cosmetics, because back in the day that's when like the liquid matte lipstick was so popular. I literally still have it. This is my ColourPop liquid lipstick from back in the day. This was my favorite color. I think it was Bumble. It's definitely dried up. Definitely probably not usable anymore. This was my favorite color ever. But yeah, long story short, like literally I used to wear a bold lip all the time to like acting class and to dance class and stuff. And so ever since ColourPop sent me some of their Haunted Mansion lipsticks, I've been wearing a little bold lip here and there. I feel like I've refound that part of myself again, and it's also the most coolest full circle story ever. Like I literally would buy ColourPop liquid lipsticks, and then now like getting to work with ColourPop, like it's such a dream come true. It's literally so cool, and I feel very blessed and thankful. Okay, so this is the shirt I ended up getting at Old Navy, and this is the outfit I was thinking I would use it for. The bold lip is killing me. Okay. I don't know. Is this giving Mickey pumpkin? I don't know. I feel like it's not outfitting the way I thought it would. We could do it with a purple top. I know I'm going to wear this another day, but I mean, I think the purple is giving a little bit more Halloween than the green. I don't know. I think I'm just going to bring these shirts like in every color and figure it out there. So this might be the one occasion where I actually don't like a little tee under a dress. What do we think? I found this dress on American Eagle probably like a month or two ago at this point, and I don't know why, but the first time I saw it I was like, that could be a little Sally Disney bound. I don't know why, because this dress looks absolutely nothing like Sally or her outfit. I was really wanting to do a Sally outfit because, as you guys know, I love Nightmare Before Christmas. I just did a Jack Skellington one for Mickey's Not So Scary, and they have the Haunted Mansion Holiday in Disneyland, which is so perfect for pictures. So I was kind of thinking like a little, I mean, this looks absolutely nothing like Sally. I don't even think I could call this a Disney bound. I just think it's an outfit with a Sally headband and a Sally Nuemo. What do we think? I haven't decided how many park days I'm doing. Right now I only have 2 booked, and then the last day would just be like hanging around downtown Disney or something like that. But fun fact, I got this headband for a little brand deal I'm doing where I had to dress up as Sally, and I put together this whole outfit and I ended up absolutely loving the outfit. And I think this headband is so fun. I love that like it kind of gives my hair some volume. Like, I think it's so fun. So I think this is another option. Look at the shirt that I got. I think it's so fun. It says Wizards of Waverly Place. I'm obsessed. I literally just cut the neckline of it because I love to do that for t-shirts. So I got this shirt just kind of as like a little sleep shirt or like a get ready with me shirt. I always love to have a shirt that's like somewhat on theme, especially if I'm filming like an outfit reveal or whatever, because like in this case I wouldn't want to wear like an Inside Out 2 t-shirt and then like turn into a Disney villain. You know, I want to wear something like that's kind of on theme. So I just love the purple of the shirt and I think it's kind of fun. So those are pretty much my park outfits. I have a few other outfits I'll show you guys that are just kind of options. I really think at this point I'm just gonna bring a bunch and then kind of figure it out there. Also the sun's kind of going down. So first I have this little purple romper that I was thinking of wearing over the light purple tee. In case you couldn't tell, purple's a big theme of this trip. This is the purple long sleeve I was telling you guys about when I put together a little Alex Russo inspired outfit. So I was gonna wear this and then a black tank top over it. That's very Disney Channel coded to me. And then with like maybe a denim skirt. I think a denim skirt would be really cute. And then this little hat. Alex wore a hat just like this. I can 90% guarantee you guys I'm gonna end up not wearing this hat because I'm just gonna get nervous. I don't know why, but like I want to be a hat person so bad. I want to be that person that is like so cool and just wears whatever and is so bold. I feel like I can do that at Disneyland and like at Disney World. I feel like there's something about the theme parks that makes me feel a little bit bolder with my outfits. However, like if I was just going to a coffee shop to work, honestly though, I feel like in LA nobody would bat an eye. I really do. We'll see if I end up wearing the hat. I just know for the fit it would be iconic. I have my little Mickey pumpkin crew neck. I think I'm gonna bring this one just as like a cozy crew neck to either lounge around in or to wear at Disneyland at nighttime, because I know sometimes I'm assuming it's gonna get cold, probably not freezing, but definitely like I could wear a crew neck. And then lastly, I have this little dress that I love. I feel like I'm wearing a magic carpet when I put it on, and so I'm gonna layer this over a little plum tee. Okay, so I decided to move into my kitchen because lighting is much better out here since the sun is setting. But that is about it. I'm pretty much just gonna take all the outfits I showed you, throw them into a suitcase. I'm gonna throw in some toiletries, hair products, etc. And then I leave tomorrow. I mean, I'm excited for this trip, don't get me wrong. I just know that I have so much that I have to do before the trip, even tonight, that I'm kind of like stressed and I haven't really been getting a lot of sleep recently, and my flight literally is at 7:45 tomorrow. That doesn't feel real. Mentally, I don't think I've realized in pretty much 12 hours from now I will be on a flight, so I have to get up so early. I'm not trying to complain. I just, you know, like right before a trip when you have so much to do and it's a little bit stressful, but I just know once I'm there everything is gonna be fine. It's gonna be a really fun trip, and Halloween at Disneyland is my favorite, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. Like I said, feel free to come follow me on Instagram and TikTok if you want to see my adventures first before I post the YouTube vlogs. I'm nervous, you guys. I think I'm nervous for this trip too. It's something that I've quite literally never done before. I mean, this year I've done things that are like similar, but this specifically, this experience is something I've never done before. I know that I shouldn't be nervous, but if I'm being honest, I am a little bit nervous. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. The next time you see me, I'll be in California. I literally cannot wait. So see you guys there. Bye.